Scanning Slideshow is designed to present a slideshow with a feature that almost no other software has: the ability to update the images shown as it's running. When new images are put into the folder, the slideshow will automatically register the new images and then show the new ones. Other software only registers the images in a folder when the show starts. New images are not recognized, so you must stop the show and then add the images and then restart the show. Scanning Slideshow sees each new image as it goes into the folder. A photographer using a camera with Wi-Fi or a network connection can shoot images directly into the slideshow folder, and each new image is shown in sequence. For example, you're shooting a live event and project photos onto a screen in near real time. Use Scanning Slideshow to show the new images as you shoot. To use Scanning Slideshow, select the folder by pressing the button or using drag and drop. For my demo here, I have a folder called Scan Show, which I'll use to display images from, and I have some images in another folder that I'll move so you can see how it functions. Change the sorting order if you want to have the images shown in a different order. In the displayed file extensions area, you can add or remove file extensions. Only the images with the file extension shown will be displayed. You could display only PNGs and JPEGs, but not RAW files from a digital camera, for example, if you shoot RAW plus JPEG format. If you want to display the image show in full screen, choose a screen to use, and then use the Command F button to show the image display in full screen mode. Set your image duration here in seconds from 1 to 30. Or if you want to use fractions of a second, you can click on the number button and enter a fraction of seconds there as well. Set a transition style for how the images will change from one to the other. Some of them have a direction that you can choose also. Then, to start the show, press the start button or press the space bar. And now the show is started. Right now I have images 3, 8, 13, and 18 in the show, and they'll cycle around. When I move these new images into the show, currently I'm on image 8, now image 13, now image 22 will be the next picture, and then 32 and 37. I have these last two additional images to add, numbers 42 and 47. So now I'm back at the beginning here, but as soon as I add these in, number 42 is now the next image, and now number 47 will be shown. And after those last two pictures are shown, we're back to the beginning of the show. If you take pictures out of the folder for some reason, the slideshow restarts at the beginning, whichever the first image is when it scans the folder, and then it keeps on going. To put Scanning Slideshow into full screen mode at any time, you can press Command F. And the main image window goes into the full screen size. Now the Scanning Slideshow control panel stays up, and you can close that. At any time, if you need to bring the control panel back, simply press Command 1, and it'll pop back up. If the control panel is hidden, you can still stop the show with the spacebar button, and then restart it again with the spacebar button. That's a quick introduction to Scanning Slideshow.